over to Chuck Crosby at the Crosby Law Office. Josh just bought a home a week ago and was asked at the closing table if he wanted to buy title insurance. He thought, he says in this email, the bank required that he buy title insurance, and he's wondering what is he being asked to buy if he's already bought it.
Okay. There is owner's title insurance. There is lender's title insurance. Now, the price calculation is you take owner's title insurance, you add $200, and that's the total of owners and lenders. Settlement statements with all the TRID regulations show it broken up differently. But that's the first concept to keep in mind. It's just going to cost a couple $100 more with both of them included. Now, the lender is going to require that you pick up title insurance to cover the loan amount. That title insurance decreases over time. So as you pay your loan down, the value of that title insurance goes down, so that at no point is equity ever covered. When you get an owner's policy on top of that, as the lender's policy gets paid down and equity is accrued, well, the owner's title insurance picks up that difference so that you're always protected. Just because the bank gets title insurance does not protect you. Got to get that owner's policy on top of it. But again, as I pointed out from the beginning, it's going to be the same price if you were paying cash and, got an owner's policy at that point.
And what percentage of loans do you close that don't have owner's title?
I'd say it's really small. I'll submit. I'll subject them to a 20-minute discussion of all the evils that might occur.
Right.
And usually they say, "Please, I'll pay whatever you want just to get you to shut up." Right. But the fact of the matter is, it's on the contract. You have to opt out of it, and most people do not opt out of it, though it does happen.
There's a 30-day. You have 30 days after closing to be able to purchase.
30. That's kind of like a used car salesmanship tactic. Oh, I've got people looking at this. You'd better hurry up. The fact of the matter is that's not actually true. I can write title insurance on anything. And even if you're not doing a loan, let's say you bought a property and you didn't get title insurance, you want it. Well, I go and run the title. Well, if I do the closing and you call me back, 40 days from now, it takes me 5 seconds to update that title.
Got it.
Okay. I just get on the computer and update it immediately. So, people say 30 days, but that's not a real thing.
Oh, that's an honest answer. Thank you, Chuck. I really appreciate that. A reminder, if you're thinking of selling your home, hey, you have a free, no obligation booklet available to you with hundreds of useful tips. If you want a copy, send me an email, bob@WeSellLouisville.com, and put selling tips in the subject line.